Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I am glad to see you all. Who I respect Miss Novianti as English teacher and friend that I miss. Let me introduce myself and my friend. My name is Taufik Hidayat from the theory class D, majoring in informatic engineering. And my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my group. My name is Yunita Minarni and my friend is Taufik Hidayat. We would like to talk about the review of needs analysis for informatic engineering students as a basis to develop teaching materials on English for specific purpose.
Okay, let's review the journal title Need Analysis for Informatic Engineering Student as a Basic to Develop Teaching Material on English for Specific Purpose. The journal is published by Rhetorica Journal Ilmu Bahasa, volume and Facts, vol 5 number 1 and 168 to 180. Years 2019, author Kadek Yogi Swasana and Agus Ari Iswara. I review this journal with my friend and I Taufik Hidayat and my friend Yunita Minarmi. That's June 2020. Next, abstract. This research aim to find and discuss student needs for ESP and find our student verification of ESP teaching that has been running. This is a descriptive research with a qualitative approach. The subject of this research was the first semester student of Informatic Engineering of STEMIC STIKOM Indonesia. The data collection was done using online questionnaires on a Google Form application. The data obtained were then classified to meet the needs of informatic engineering students on English learning, can be identified and then be described. The result on the list can be used as a reference for subsequent research, namely syllabus planning and the development of teaching material of ESP, referring to the student awareness of the importance of speaking skill and also the need of having grammar lesson as basic for their vertical competence. It is a text for ESP lecturer to apply teaching strategies which are interesting, motivation, and beginning to cover but are in equal portion. According to the gap between the existing rush and aspect need to be explored in the ESP program. Of these four types of need is present rush application, the namely the subjective need analysis, which focus of the learning intents when reason for attending the course and expectation. Moreover, this rest also consider that the teacher-student relationship, the classroom environment, and a line of thought the student participation of their teacher are all part of this type of need analysis. In the subject on integral plan of a structural course, so far English has become a compulsory subject taken by all informatic engineering students in the first semester in the fourth semester. In this and second semester, teaching material and keep is a general English to introduce the basic of both others and passive English competence. Mainly for the third on fourth semester, teaching material of more specific material to English for IT students. However, it has different definition based on the lecture design. This is because there is no standard textbook. There established because of English language skill according of the major text student exchange program. Rest subject STEMIC STIKOM Indonesia. Theory you said in deductive theory because in it give information that start from an estimate or certain exclusive thought toward the data will be explained. Okay, henceforth be continued by my friend. Next.
Research question. First, according to the question whether English is important to be mastered by IT. Second, question on what kind of English skills are needed by IT students. And the last questions whether the time to research grammar would be given a rich portion than learning speaking and writing skills. Research methods. The research is a descriptive research with a qualitative approach. Qualitative descriptive research is aimed at describing existing phenomena, which pay more attention on the characteristic, quality, and interrelationship between activity. Object of research: use of ESP to improve English language teaching system for informatics students. And then data collection. The data collection was done through two types of question distributions, namely Google form with scale and paragraph type. Data analysis was done in some steps including data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or data verification. The conclusion. The questionnaire was both a feedback questionnaire and a needs analysis. Its purpose was to identify the types of activities that students enjoy and consequently use them more frequently during the English course. It was also meant to find out what activities students consider works including in the English course. From the perspective of their own needs as they perceive them. The major goal being to redesign the course in such a way that is best fit the student needs. Hence, this analysis should result in a change of the design of the English course, and in order to measure its success, another questionnaire need to be applied at the end of the second academic year to see whether the change was just successful.
Thank you for listening. Sorry if there are any mistakes both in the word and the delivery of material. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.